your local Weather Authority forecast.
Skies are clearer of clouds and temperatures lower compared to yesterday morning. This is a live look at Midland early on your Tuesday morning. Still dark out there, and we're seeing that waxing gibbous moon setting. This will soon be a super moon within the next couple of nights. And again, that moon is setting. We've got a little bit of a purple tint right now in the skyline, and we're seeing some clouds, not producing much in the way of any rain across the basin right now, but satellite and radar did show we did have some thunderstorms that crashed down through Carlsbad, now moving through Van Horn and weakening. Not as many lightning strikes as that rain activity moving southward toward Van Horn with stronger gustier winds. We do notice some of those clouds moving from north to south also in the basin, but these clouds in northeastern areas of the basin not producing any rain. Because of the clear skies, the lighter winds and drier air, radiational cooling taking into effect, meaning that from the daytime hours yesterday, that heat, what was again actually a little bit below normal during the afternoon, was allowed to escape into space much later yesterday overnight, and also still this morning. Mostly clear skies, 68 right now in the tall city. The sun now rises at 7:22 this morning, eventually warming up that atmosphere. 65% relative humidity, a little bit humid out there. Northeasterly breeze, pretty light at 7 miles per hour. Pretty cool throughout much of the basin compared to normal. A couple of degrees below normal right now at 68 in the tall city. In terms of those hours, low temperatures, 69 in Big Spring, 68 also in places like Alpine. Very similar compared to Midland and Odessa. 70 right now in Van Horn, with winds starting to pick up because of those dying thunderstorms moving southward. And I think most of that rain activity diminishing. Generally, though, in the 60s and 70s across the region, with not much of any rain for now. Warming up in the mid to upper 80s in the mountains, low to mid 90s in the basin, right around 93, 94 from Midland, Odessa to Big Spring. A little bit warmer than yesterday, but temperatures still not too bad for some of your average high 93, so not too bad. Again, mild and humid. A little bit later this morning by the morning commute, partly cloudy, right around the 70-degree mark. So we'll start to warm up by that 8 a.m. hour. Sunnier and breezier and warmer by noon. 84 by noon, warming up to right around 92 by 4 p.m. Again, 92, not too bad. Very close to normal, but I think we'll reach 93. Partly cloudy, bit breezy, bit humid out there. And again, those winds picking up later this evening in the upper 80s, lower 90s by 8 p.m. Overnight, we'll start to see more of that rain activity diminishing after the afternoon, where we'll see a few rain showers from time to time, not going around to really too much, with mostly clear skies ensuing tonight into tomorrow morning, with not much of any rain activity after dinner time. Overnight in the 60s and 70s, mostly clear skies, and we'll see those winds die down from the northeast right around 5 to 15 miles per hour. A little bit of a muggy start for tomorrow morning, and pretty cool out there. 69 by 8 a.m. Very sunny and pleasantly mild. We'll be seeing even lower low temperatures tomorrow morning compared to this morning. 93 today, 94 tomorrow. Then the mid to upper 90s and low triple-digit temperature readings return late this week and into Labor Day weekend.